Humanities is the most popular discipline for Indigenous uni students. Lachlan McDaniel was once one of them. He came to uni hoping to turn his life around.
When I went to Macquarie University, my job was to work in a tap factory and I was pushing the hot and cold buttons into taps.
He graduated from a dual law and arts degree and many doors opened.
Going from low-skilled jobs to being able to work in the not-for-profit sector, I've worked in the private sector, I've worked in tertiary education. None of that would have been possible without my humanities studies.
Experts fear the uni price hikes will see Indigenous students disproportionately loaded with more debt or deter them entirely and jeopardise the new national Closing the Gap targets that aim to grow the number of Indigenous students in higher education.
This strategy is going to be very much a contradiction to the government's desire to see more Indigenous students end up better educated.
Indigenous students who go on to university are far more likely to undertake social and cultural studies than those who are non-Indigenous. Under these changes, the costs of studying humanities will go up by 113%, while degrees in law and commerce will rise by 28%. Those fee hikes will be used to subsidise discounts for students in areas like maths, agriculture, science, nursing and teaching.
Doctors and nurses, allied health staff. That's where we have a tremendous demand for our own people to be front and centre. So they have a direct impact in achieving a closure of a gap.
But many believe their arts degrees also helped their communities.
That's where I discovered my passion for environmental sciences.
I'm now tutoring in Indigenous knowledges in Adelaide.
Now I'm a youth worker in South Australia.
Isabella Higgins, ABC News.